Hi, I'm Alan and today I'm going to take you through the Linde MV01 electric order picker. Let's take a look. The MV01 offers a highly cost-effective and productive solution for multiple applications. This task support vehicle is perfectly suited for order picking tasks, even in narrower aisles. Thanks to its stable mast, the platform can be lifted up to 3 metres, bringing its reach height to a staggering 4.6 metres. The power steering and compact design make this order picker highly manoeuvrable. The easily accessible controls can adjust the storage tray as well as allow driving and lifting to happen simultaneously with speeds of up to 6.5 km per hour without a load and 5 km per hour with a load. The MV01 operates with a 24 volt lithium-ion battery and with its onboard charger offers the convenience of being able to top up whenever necessary. Safety features include a safety sensor, foot switch, speed limitation, a light and buzzer, doors that automatically lock when the platform is lifted, emergency stop button, and automatic braking that engages when the traction butterfly is released. Inside the spacious operator compartment, operators will experience a stress-free working environment. The multifunction display gives the operator an hour meter reading, as well as maintenance, battery discharge, and internal fault code indicators. Fitted with polyurethane drive wheels and rubber load wheels, the capacity of the MV01 is up to 90 kilograms on the storage tray and up to 100 kilograms on the platform. And servicing is a breeze thanks to quick and easy access to all main components via a front service panel, as well as the MV01's CAN bus connectivity, which enables easy transmission of all truck data to a service technician's laptop. The MV01 order picker is the ultimate compact task support vehicle, and thanks to its manoeuvrability and ergonomic design, it will become a top contributor for higher handling performance in any warehouse.